So the next thing we want to talk about is percent yield. And so we just did this calculation in our moles to mass to moles conversion. And so say we did go into the lab and we did our experiment and we started with 60 grams of our NO2 gas and we reacted it with unlimited water so that we used up all the NO2. And we calculate this out and we expect, hey, at the end we should have 54.81 grams of HNO3. That's what we would expect to get out from this reaction. So that is our theoretical yield. So for that particular reaction, our theoretical yield is 54.81 grams of our nitric acid. But what if we did that experiment and we actually did it and then we went to the balance and we weighed it and we didn't get that much out? When we weighed it, we found that we only got 42.32 grams of HNO3. So we were kind of disappointed because we were expecting 54 and we only got 42. So we want to calculate our percent yield. So what percentage of that is that? You know, how efficient was our reaction? So to calculate percent yield, that's going to be, so our percent yield is going to equal the actual yield that we weigh on the balance divided by our theoretical yield, multiply it by 100. So if we put our numbers in here, we can put 42.32 grams over 54.81 grams and multiply this by 100%, and that is going to give us our percent yield, so our PY. And if we calculate that out, we would find that that is 77.2%. So that is our percent yield. So that's how we would do percent yield problems.